Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable iCloud sync on your Mac. It's an extremely easy process. Here's what you have to do. First, simply click on your Apple icon at the very top left corner. Then, simply click on System Settings, which you'll find right over here. Now, inside your System Settings, simply click on your Apple ID. Click on iCloud in the very center. And after that, you'll find the iCloud settings. And inside the iCloud settings, you will see apps using iCloud. Now, all you have to do is simply click on the Show All option right over there. Now, simply disable iCloud for the features that you want. For example, photos. So click on it and then click on Disable. Then click back and do the same for iCloud Drive. Simply click on Disable, and if you want to keep a copy, you can click on Keep a Copy or Remove from Mac. It's totally up to you, but I would recommend you should keep a copy. Then choose that option, and then it will start copying. But I'm not going to do that. So if you want, you can keep a copy, then go back to the other options as well, and simply click on Disable. One by one, you have to disable all of the applications that you want to stop syncing with iCloud. So, once you've done all of that, simply click on Back, and you can close the iCloud settings. And that's how you will be able to disable iCloud from your Mac. So that's it. You now know how to disable iCloud from your Mac for any particular app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.